My child, hear my voice. I am your shepherd. You are not abandoned. You are not forgotten. You are mine, and I will guide you all the days of your life. When the path before you feels dark, I am your light. When the road seems heavy with burdens, I am your strength. I lead you through valleys where fear tries to whisper that you are alone. But my rod and staff comfort you. I walk ahead of you, and I also walk behind, guarding your steps, shielding your heart. I will never let you go. You wonder, Lord, do you see me in my struggles? My child, I see every tear. I know the thoughts that weigh on your mind before you speak them aloud. When the world overlooks you, I draw near. I call you by name, for you are mine. You are not lost in the crowd. You are chosen, known, and loved. I am not only with you in the green pastures of peace, but I am also with you in the wilderness of confusion. When your soul feels weary, I restore it. When your hope fades, I breathe new life into it. You may stumble, but I will not allow you to fall beyond my reach. My arms are always ready to lift you again. There are moments when silence surrounds you, and you wonder if I am far. But silence does not mean absence. Even when you cannot hear me, I am speaking through peace, through stillness, through the quiet assurance that you are held. Trust this, I never leave you. When enemies rise against you, I am your defender. When doubts crowd your heart, I am your truth. When storms rage, I am your shelter. Do not be afraid, for I go before you. I prepare a table for you, even in the presence of your trials, and I anoint your head with oil. Surely goodness and mercy will follow you all the days of your life. Do not measure yourself by the standards of the world. The world values power, appearance, and noise, but I look at the heart. I see the kindness no one else notices, the prayers whispered in secret, the courage it takes to get up each morning. These are treasures to me, precious in my sight. Bring me your burdens, no matter how heavy. Lay down your worries, no matter how endless. You were never meant to carry them alone. I am your shepherd, and I care for you. Cast your cares on me, and I will sustain you. I will give you rest for your soul, peace that the world cannot take away. Do not fear tomorrow. I am already there. I have walked ahead of you, preparing the way. Every valley will lead to a mountaintop. Every night will give way to morning. What the enemy meant for harm, I will turn for good. My plans for you are filled with hope and a future. My child, let my words sink deep. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. You are not unloved. I am your shepherd, your guide, your protector, your friend. When others fail you, I remain. When the world turns cold, my love burns steady and true. Rest in me. Rest is not weakness. It is trust. When you pause to rest in my presence, you declare that I am in control. I will carry what you cannot. I will fight battles you never even see. I will guard you in ways beyond your understanding. Trust me with your life. Surely my goodness and mercy will follow you all the days of your life, and you will dwell with me forever. My child, I am your shepherd. You are safe. You are loved. You are mine.